Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling the Linux container on your Chromebook and allocating adequate disk space. This gives you a proper environment to run the Discord desktop client. Once done, open the terminal and update apt, then install curl, git, node, and npm. These tools let you fetch and build the Vencord injector. Make sure no other Discord processes are running, because you will install the desktop client into Linux and run an injector script there. This prevents conflicts and keeps the process contained. Next, install the Discord Linux. Deb inside the container and confirm it launches cleanly. You need the desktop client to accept injected code. Then clone the Vencord repo, install node dependencies, and run the build or inject script the project provides. During this phase, give the script file system and executable permissions when asked, and follow prompts to target the Discord installation path. If the script offers patching versus runtime injection, choose the method you prefer and note where back. Finally, start Discord inside the Linux container and look for Vencord's UI elements or settings panel to confirm success. Enable a simple plugin to validate the injection. If Discord fails to start, make sure no sandbox flags are blocking the injector and that file permissions are correct. Restore the backup the injector created and try again. One key troubleshooting tip. Check the injector and Discord logs for permission errors, revert changes from the backup, reinstall the client, and repeat the inject step carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.